Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use undeposited funds in QuickBooks Online. Undeposited funds act as a temporary holding account for payments you have received but not yet deposited into your bank. This crucial step ensures that your QuickBooks records precisely match your actual bank deposits, preventing discrepancies and simplifying reconciliation. It is a simple way to manage cash and checks before they hit your bank account. When you receive a payment from a customer, whether it is a check or cash, you will record it in QuickBooks. Instead of directly depositing it into a bank account, choose Undeposited Funds from the Deposit to drop-down menu. This applies to sales receipts, customer payments, and other income. This action places the payment into the temporary holding account, ready for your next bank run. Once you are ready to make a physical deposit at the bank, go to the New menu in QuickBooks Online and select Bank Deposit. Here, you will see all the payments currently sitting in your undeposited funds account. Select the specific payments that are part of your current bank deposit. Then, choose the correct bank account where these funds will be deposited, ensuring a perfect match. Using undeposited funds offers several key benefits. It prevents common errors by ensuring your recorded deposits exactly match your bank statements, making reconciliation much easier. Grouping multiple payments into one deposit streamlines your accounting process. Remember to regularly review and clear your undeposited funds account to maintain accurate and up-to-date financial records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.